Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today we will be going to talk about how to enable case merge in Salesforce. So this is a out of the box playlist video, and before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So explicitly Salesforce doesn't have a true out of the box bulk merge or merge feature for cases, but the standard native Salesforce case merge functionality is restricted to maximum of 3 cases at a time to be merged, right? But for today's tutorial we are not going to talk about those limitations and all. I'm just heads up, like this is not a tool using which we can just bulk merge cases above the limit 3, but in this video we'll be going to talk about how to enable the case merge functionality in your org, right? So from the quick find you will just need to search with the keyword merge, and in the feature settings and under the services you will get the options case merge, right? And in here you will be see a checkbox, let agents combine up to 3 cases to create a single easy to access case. So it is explicitly saying that the agents combine up to 3 cases, right? We can just merge 3 cases to create a single easy to access case record, right? So on clicking on this checkbox merge cases, we will be seeing few options getting pop up, like for example keep duplicates cases after the merge. So this is unrecommended approach, or we can just delete the cases, means older cases which are getting merged to the original case. So we can just delete the case record as well. And for this one the CRUD permissions are required for your users, but for the timing I'll be just choosing these options keep the duplicate cases up after the merge, which is a recommended practice, right? So and we have the option to select a unique status for duplicate cases, and in here we can just select the closed, right? So we can just add any other status, or we can just say so the merge keywords will be appended whenever a case is getting merged to a particular case record which we are going to merge. So the merge keyword will be shown, right? So we can just update the merge keyword, like merge keyword. We can just, for example, let me just provide merged old case. So we can just update this label, add a case status, and for example if I just save this one, right? So and we just need to finally save the configurations, right? Now we just need to go back to our case list views, and in here we should see one button, merge cases. If the button is not appear for you, you just need to configure that in the for the list view button. So you just need to go to the edit object, and from the edit object you just simply scroll down a little bit and list view button layout. So in the list view button layout you just need to edit, and in here you just need to enable this checkbox merge cases, mass merge case, right? This checkbox needs to be checked in order to see the button merge cases in the list view button, in the case list views, right? So on clicking on this button we just need to, we can see that select 2 or 3 cases and try again, right? For example if I just select these 2 cases, and if I just click on merge, we can see that 2 cases are showing, and it will compare the 2 cases, right? Compare cases, right? But if I just select another case record, for example if I just select, we can see also like 3 cases record is getting compared, right? Since there is a limitation on 3 records only, but if I select more than 3, for example if I select another record, case record, and try to click on this merge cases button, and we can see select 2 or 3 cases and try again. So this is the limitation for this one. So that's all for today's demo. In this video we have talked about like how to enable the case merge feature in your Salesforce org. In the next tutorial we'll be going to see how to case merge the case record. So please stay tuned, and if you like this video please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and please if you like this video please consider to take membership into my channel. That will motivate me to create more videos for you. So thanks for watching.